it's Bianca from the Producers Firm, and welcome to our annuity solution space where we share real life case designs that our agents are using to help their clients navigate retirement. Today, let's share a thought about replacing a lost Social Security check. So we know at some point or another, couples that we help, they will, unfortunately, one of them will pass away. And when one passes away, only the larger Social Security check lives on. This can be a drastic hit financially for the surviving spouse. So one tool that we're looking at is using a fixed index annuity at the time of retirement to 65-year-olds, put $100,000 away. They let the roll-ups work for them for 10 years. At age 75, unfortunately, one of them passes away. At that point in time, you can activate that income benefit, that guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit for the surviving spouse. And as of today's payout rates, that's going to get them about $1,300 a month. So could you imagine that spouse's relief, knowing that at the worst time in their life, that they don't have to also worry about replacing that Social Security check or changing their lifestyle. So we're going to continue to share these ideas with you. What's working for us, what's working for our agents. If you'd like to talk more, give me a call, 860-956-5377. Take care.